Sound bites. With brittle clicks, stone touch stone, line to fit and coincide with other stones, laid out or driven home to form something of significance, where thoughts of effort and cost were lost on those who sought a higher place, somewhere in the space where land meets sky on a far horizon. They were seasoned believers, the seers of day and nights, aligning distant seeds of light with sun and moon, worshippers of things we struggle to define, but sense when venturing to shrines of earth and lichen. Ancient ties smoulder below, places that remain long after the seers have gone. The essence is left, rightfully there, whispering in your inner ear, it belongs. Timeless, living on, in weathered sarsen stone, that wind and rain have known for a millennia.